guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is like a tutorial slash first impression slash review, mainly focusing on the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice palette. This is the look that I came up with, and I also used one of the Too Faced Melted Matte liquid lipsticks, like the Christmas edition, and I know I went a little bit overboard. Let's just pretend I didn't. I kept trying to get my lips even and they just kept getting bigger and bigger. But besides that, this is the look that I came up with. I hope you guys like it. I really like it. And if you guys want to see how to get it, then just keep watching. So I've already primed my eyes with my Tarte Shape Tape and set that with my Colourpop powder. Now it's time to go in with the Too Faced Gingerbread Spice palette. Look at how beautiful it is. And it smells so good. Like gingerbread. Surprise. Oh my gosh, I have no real idea what I'm doing today, like what sort of look I'm going for. But I figure we just have a play and see where it leads us. So I'm going to start off with Gingerbread Latte and use this as my transition color. So I'm just taking some on a Sigma E40 brush and blending that into my crease with a little too much on the brush. Oh well, we'll just blend it out. My hair keeps getting in my eye. Just like all the Too Faced palettes, this eyeshadow is so easy to blend. I love it already and I've only used one color. Anyway, next I'm going to go in with the shade Gingerbread just on a Sigma E25 blending brush. And I'm just going to use this to darken up the crease a little. So we're just blending that in. Do you guys like my earrings, by the way? Can you even see what they are? If you can see, let me know which house you're in. And guess which house I'm in? If you follow me on Instagram, you'll most likely already know. Next up, I'm gonna go in with the shade Reindeer Paws, and I'm gonna blend this into my crease and my outer V. I'm leaning towards the purples in this palette today. We'll see how this goes. I'm trying to stick away from I'm trying to steer away from the golden browns because I feel like that's what I always use. Now you don't have to worry too much about being messy on the edges because we haven't done our base yet. Therefore, we can go clean it up later. See, now if we didn't put those browns down first, I feel like this would look like we've been punched in the eye. But the browns help make it look less like a black eye. And hopefully as this video continues, it will not look like we've been punched in the face. Okay, before we move on to our next eyeshadow, I'm just gonna take a clean blending brush and make sure everything is nice and blended. I completely made a mess on this eye, but it's fine because we'll clean it up later. Okay, next shadow I'm gonna take is Auburn. Oh, I get it, because it's like an auburn color. I did not realize it until I said it out loud. So I'm just gonna take some on a flat shader brush and pack this on like the middle of my eye. Ooh, there is quite a bit of fallout with the shade. I feel like it's quite shimmery in the pan, but once I pat it on, it's like all the shimmer sort of falls onto my face and I'm left with this sort of satin eyeshadow. It's still beautiful though. I imagine if I used some Fix Plus first, this would be quite a shimmery shade. I feel like I've never really had a Too Faced eyeshadow that had this much fallout. It's pretty intense. So if you're using that shade, you definitely want to do your eyes first, guys. Unless you like ruining your base. Okay, next up, I think I'm going to go in with Hot Toddy. This one here. It's sort of, I want to say jewel chrome. It's got like this golden shades from one angle and then like a pinky purpley shade from another. See how it looks on our eyes. I think this is going to have a lot of fallout too. So I'm just going to apply this right here. You know what? I'm just going to use my finger for these shades. I feel like it's going to apply better with my finger. Oh, yes. Way better. They're kind of like the Colourpop Super Shock eyeshadows. You know how those ones apply better when you use your finger? I'm actually going to go over Auburn with my finger as well, just to deepen that color up. Okay, cool. So we learnt something new today. Apply the shimmer shades with your finger. Then for the very inner corner of my eye, I'm gonna take Spiked Eggnog. This is beautiful like champagne shimmer color. And I'm gonna try and take it on a more dense I really can't talk today. More dense brush. This is a Zoeva smudger brush. And I'm just gonna try and pack that on the inner corner of my eye. Oh, it's so pretty. So next I'm gonna grab an eyeliner that I forgot to put on my temple. I feel like there's lots of singing in today's video. So I'm just gonna line my top lash line with the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper. This is just because I'm gonna be wearing false lashes and it's gonna help hide the lash band. Now for mascara, I'm just gonna take some of my Benefit Roller Lash mascara. This is my favorite mascara when I'm wearing false lashes. It just sticks to the lashes really well. Now for lashes, I'm gonna pop on the Koko Lashes in the style Carry. Okay, now that our lashes are on, we can clean up all this fallout. So I'm just gonna grab a makeup wipe and wipe it away. Ta-da! I'm also gonna clean up the edge of the eyeshadow. Now let's move on to our base. So to prime my face, I'm gonna use my Too Faced Hangover X 3-in-1 priming spray. I'm just gonna spray this on and hopefully not ruin our eyeshadow. Let this dry a bit. So I feel like my base is kind of boring. It's the products that I always use. So I'm just gonna sort of like rush through it. I really want to focus this tutorial on the Spice palette, Gingerbread Spice palette. So for foundation, Urban Decay All Nighter, my fave. Gonna blend this in. So for concealer, I'm just gonna go in with my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm just gonna plop some under my eyes. My skin is kind of dry today because I've had the aircon on a lot because it's getting hot in Australia. So I'm gonna blend this out really quickly as I go. I really should have done one eye at a time. And I'm just gonna set that with my Colourpop No Filter powder in Fair, just on a Sigma F35 brush. Pat that on. And to set the rest of my face, I'm just gonna go in with my Colourpop No Filter powder in medium dark. I don't have a powder brush. Hold on a second. Oh my god, I did legs day the other day and my legs hurt so bad. I can't walk properly. Anyway, just set in the rest of my face. Next up, I'm gonna go in with my Ciate London Palm Island bronzer. It's just a pretty matte bronzer. I'm just gonna bronze up the outside of my face with this. Now for a fun new product. This is the Too Faced Sugar Peach Wet and Dry Face and Eye Palette. I haven't used this yet, but it looks so beautiful. I'm gonna take a bit of peach honey and I'm just gonna lightly go over the bronzer to add a bit of luminosity to it. Oh my god, this smells so good. Oh, it smells like peaches. Then I'm gonna grab Peach Pop and I'm gonna use this as a blush. So I'm just taking a little bit on the Sigma F40 brush we used to bronze up our face and adding it to my cheeks. It's very shimmery. I feel like it makes a better highlighter than a blush, but oh well. Then I'm gonna switch to a Sigma F03 brush. And I've got powder everywhere. I'm gonna go in with Peach Pearl. I'm gonna use this as my highlighter. Ooh, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. I feel like it's a little glittery though. It's not as smooth as what I'm used to. I'm just gonna take some down the center of my face. I don't know, that highlighter is not my favorite. I don't know how to describe it. It's not like there's giant chunks of glitter in it, but it's not like a smooth sheen on my face. And that's our base done. So now let's go back to our eyes. I zoomed too far in. So back to our eyes. I'm gonna go in with Gingerbread Latte again, just on a my pencil brushes. Just on a pencil brush. I'm gonna smudge this into my lower lash line, making sure it connects to that top eyeshadow. Then I'm gonna grab a tiny bit of Reindeer Paws. I feel like I said that weird. And I'm just gonna smudge it into that outer corner of my eye, making sure it connects to the top eyeshadow. Then I'm just gonna grab a bit of Spiced Eggnog on my finger and just highlight that inner corner. Then we just wanna add some mascara to our lower lashes. I feel like a gold eyeliner would look really good with this look. Let me see what I have. So I've got this Marc Jacobs Highliner Glam Glitter Gel Eye Crayon that I haven't used yet. I vote we use it today. So I'm just gonna line my tight line. Oh, that's really pretty. It's like really subtle, but then when it catches the light, you can see the glitter. Now I'm just gonna quickly fill in my eyebrows with my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. So now all we have left to do is our lips, and I was thinking of using one of these four. These are the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipsticks Christmas edition, I want to say. They come in like a Christmas gift pack. I'm feeling either spiced rum. Oh no, that was completely wrong. I'm thinking hot buttered rum or pumpkin spice. It's like I just combined the two in my mind. I think I'm gonna go with hot buttered rum. Oh my god, that smells so good. This one's sugar cookie. Ooh, can't wait to smell this. It smells like a vanilla milkshake. And this one is cinnamon bear. Not really fussed on that one, hey. Anyway, back to our lips. I'm gonna take hot buttered rum and put this on my lips. It's such a smooth formula. I love it. I've had 2 coffees today and my hands are not steady. And this is the finished look. Let's just pretend I didn't go way overboard with my lips. I kept trying to make them even and they just got bigger and bigger. I'm sure you guys know how it is. So overall, I really love this palette. The whole fallout thing is a bit of a downside, but overall, I do love all the eyeshadows. They have amazing payoff. So easy to blend and it smells so freaking good. As usual, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't yet, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye. Bye guys.